Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently close your LinkedIn account. So let's get started. So here we are in a LinkedIn and we are currently logged in our account. And from here, what we're gonna do is that we wanna go into our profile settings. So to go there, you need to click here on your Me button right here. And from here, you wanna click on settings and privacy. And then once you are here, you simply wanna scroll all the way down here. So scroll all the way down, then you can see the close account button here. So you want to click on the close account. And from here, you want to click on continue. And then as you can see, we're starting to see you to go, and make sure that you know that you will lose your connections, messages, endorsements, and recommendations. So now that you're aware of that, let's click on continue. And from here, you want to tell them the reason on why you're closing your account. In my case, I'll just go for other right here and click on next. And then I'm just gonna go for something random here and click on next right here. And then you would have to provide your password to close this account. So once you have provided your password, and then from here, when you tap on done, your account will now be closed. So yeah, you wanna make sure when you are doing this, you are prepared to lose everything that is in here in your LinkedIn account. And you can also unsubscribe from the LinkedIn email communication, including invitation to your email. So if you want that, just tick this box right here once you have provided your password. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.